All right, students, there's a few things that I have added that I wanted to make you aware of. One is in the content section, I've added a couple of things. One is inclusive access information. So some of you guys are asking for program codes or access codes or things like that. There's none of that anymore. It's all included with this inclusive access. One of the advantages that we have with inclusive access is that you're going to get a free electronic version that you can download onto any device. So that's this right here. Okay. There are also instructions because it's going to ask you for your email and things like that. So this document here is instructions on what you're going to do when you are trying to launch that bookshelf. Now, if you are a heavy smartphone user like myself, then you can go to your app store and you can find Vital Source. Vital Source is the app that we are using. And once you go through this experience and create your login credentials, it will let you access your textbook on your smartphone, your tablet, whatever it is. The other thing that I wanted to tell you is where your assignments are. So, no, I want to log out real quick. All right. So what you do is you type in here Tulsa CC, there it is, mylabsplus.com, and it's going to come to this screen, and you want to see MyLabs Plus for Tulsa Community College right here. So when you sign in with your college-wide ID, your number, and if you've never signed into this before, your password is the word password. All right, or you can just put your student ID in here and then click Forgot Password, and it will send you an email, whichever way you decide to do this. But I do suggest, obviously, changing your password from the word password. So I'm going to get into one of the two courses, and I'm going to switch it to student view real quick here. No, where's that at? Okay, so this is what you guys are going to see. All right, you're going to see this right here. What to work on next is right here. You can click here, and it will take you to view all assignments. Another way to get to that exact same spot is to go up here to assignments. And in assignments, you can also see all of these things. Okay, the videos are ungraded. You don't have to do them. They're there for your use if you'd like. But then the assignments are in here. All right, so that's just a quick video to kind of get you started for the next few days. If you have any questions, let me know. But I wanted to let you know about this Vital Source textbook option. You do not have to buy a physical textbook if you do not want one. If you want one, you can. And those print upgrades are going to be available in the third week at the bookstore. Or you can buy one or rent one online, I guess. All right, have a good day.